This is chapter 6, which is part of organic chemistry, alkyl halides, which are also called as the haloalkanes, and amines. The topic that we will study today is the structure of alkyl halides. Here I have given you the example of methyl chloride. Here the alkyl is methyl and the halide is the chloride. Here in methyl chloride, the geometry is sp3 hybridization. It is tetrahedral. The bond angle will be 109.5 degree. There will be 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals that will be shared with the 3 hydrogens and 1 p orbital of the chlorine by the head-to-head overlapping, making it 4 sigma bonds. In this image, you can easily see that this is the hybrid structure of methyl chloride. We have 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen and 1 chloride. Hydrogens are showing the s orbital, so it is spherical, whereas for chloride we have p orbital, so it is dumbbell in shape. You can easily see that with hydrogen you have sp3 and s hybridization, and with chlorine, that is halogen chloride, you have sp3 p hybridization. Everything is same here. Talking about the preparation of alkyl halides, how these can be prepared. So in our course we have 2 preparations for the alkyl halide. Further will be discussed as well. Reaction of alcohol with the hydrogen halides, also by the halogenation of alkane. The first one, you have to keep in mind that the reactivity of the alcohol halogen acid follows this particular trend. You might get this in your multiple choice question. It means hydrogen iodide is the most reactive and the reactivity decreases till chloride. A general reaction I have added. Here the whole equation will be same. You can simply replace the alkyl and halogen atom. For example, it is an ethanol which reacts with hydrochloric acid and it forms ethyl chloride and water. This reaction takes place in the presence of zinc chloride catalyst. For the halogenation of alkane, halogenation means addition of halogen. You have to keep in mind that whenever halogenation occurs, it always occurs in the presence of sunlight or UV rays. Methane reacts with chlorine, that is chlorination. It forms methyl chloride and hydrochloric acid. Now the reaction of alcohols with other halogenated acids. So we have 2 halogenated acids here. The first one is the phosphorus trihalide. Phosphorus is constant, the halogen may vary. Same general equation is given. The example here is the ethanol. It reacts with phosphorus trichloride to yield ethyl chloride and H3PO3, which is phosphonic acid. Also, it reacts with thionyl chloride in the presence of the catalyst pyridine, and it gives the production of the gaseous state, which is the sulfur dioxide, halogen acids and the alkyl halide. Ethanol reacts with thionyl chloride. This SO is thionyl to form ethyl chloride, sulfur dioxide gas and hydrochloric acid. Make sure to remember that this reaction takes place in the presence of the catalyst, which is pyridine. Now how you get this question in your board examination is, firstly you get this in 4 marks in short question answers as organic chemistry. In organic chemistry you get a question for writing the structure. So from all the structures that you have, you will get one structure, and for that structure you are asked to write the properties or the specific reactions. Most of the time they give you the properties, like give the preparation. For example, in this video we have studied the structure of alkyl halide, and I also told you about the 3 preparatory methods that you can use for the preparation of the alkyl halides. So how you will get this question in your board examination? They say write structure of alkyl halide, or they might specify methyl iodide, fluoride or bromide. It does not matter if the halogen or alkyl groups is changing. As it is alkyl halide, so the hybridization, the bond angle, the geometry, everything will be same. Then they say give its two preparations. So from these three preparations, it's up to you that which two preparations you want to attempt. Keep in mind that for preparation, there is no need for any explanation until and unless it is asked in the question to explain the equations. You simply write the structure, give the details that I have highlighted earlier, draw the structure and then put the heading of preparations. It says two preparations, so any two preparations, how you will write it, put the heading, write the example equation. You will not write the general equation, you have to give an example. So you will put the heading, directly write the equation, make sure that the equation is complete and balanced and you will get full marks for it. No need for extra preparation writing, no need for any explanation, just write the equation, put the heading and get the full marks. You will not write the general equation because general equations are only for the understanding. When you attempt such questions, you have to write the examples, like a particular example for a compound. You get this in your organic chemistry 4 marks short question answers. This is the format of the Board of Education in which one structure will be asked. This is the BIEK question that I have added here. Since it is for the preparation and the structure, what happens that most of the time students forget to draw the structure. If the structure is not drawn, you will not be getting full marks. You write the explanation of the structure, what is needed in the explanation, the hybridization, geometry, bond angles, the number of sigma bonds and the overlapping that is involved between the orbitals. You get full marks. You draw the diagram with complete labeling, the hybrid model, you get full marks. You put the heading of preparation, you write two preparations, complete and balanced, and you get complete full marks for this question that you will be attempting in your board examinations. This is how you attempt this question, and this video only contains the structure of alkyl halide along with the preparatory method for the alkyl halide. This is all for today. Thank you.